How to make a video on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can use and make a video on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a video really depends upon you as to what kind of editing software and everything that you use. After your video is ready and let's say you want to post a video to Facebook, simply open up your Facebook app, and this is the kind of interface here where you should be able to see this little photos icon here. So just tap on the photos icon, then just hit the allow access and allow the access of everything. Then just select the video that you want to upload. You can select here publicity, such as friends or public or only me, all the privacy. You can set this to album if you want to share it to Instagram. You can share that to Instagram too. You can turn on your threads label. You can add some more locations and so on. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then make or post a video on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.